So I'm at a job today out at Kurnell for a customer who's with Dodo. Basically, they've had technicians come out from Telstra and have a look at the joint out the front. They said everything's fine to there. Now, I've run a fast test on this. It's passing all specs. I've just bypassed the customer's socket, taken that off and put my Alligator clips on and going directly into the modem. And as you can see, it's connected directly to the customer's lead-in cable. He's got no internal cabling inside this house, so that's Telstra network cable right there. And we've got the modem router connected and we're not getting any signal. So this is going to be a data issue one way or another, whether it's the router or it's the network problem out in the street. Got a nice clear dial tone on it. You can make calls in and out, and so this is definitely, it needs to go back to you, Dodo. We need to send out a tech or maybe send out a replacement modem first. Thank you.